Morning students, in today's video we will start customs duty. In this video we will discuss basics of custom duty. To begin with, first of all the meaning. In simple words, custom duty is a tax imposed on imports and exports of goods. और नॉर्मली ऐसा किया जाता है बाय द कस्टम्स अथॉरिटी ऑफ अ कंट्री टू रेज स्टेट रेवेन्यू एंड टू प्रोटेक्ट डोमेस्टिक इंडस्ट्रीज फ्रॉम मोर एफिशिएंट और प्रीडेटरी कॉम्पिटिटर्स फ्रॉम अब्रोड. नेक्स्ट वी हैव नेचर ऑफ कस्टम्स ड्यूटी. इसमें हम इंक्लूड करते हैं द रेट एट विच द ड्यूटी इज़ टू बी इम्पोज्ड इज स्पेसिफाइड अंडर द कस्टम्स टैरिफ एक्ट 1975. Article 266 of the Constitution provides that the proceeds from the custom duty are to be kept by Union only and are not to be shared with the states. Next, we have the constitutional basis of the customs duty. Article 265 states that no tax shall be levied or collected except by authority of law. Customs Act is enabled under Article 246 subsection 1 of the Constitution of India. Customs duty is levied under entry 83 to list 1 to 7th schedule to the Constitution of India, that is duty of customs including export duties. So different articles are given and entry 83 states about the duty of customs. Next we have scope and coverage of customs law. इसमें the customs are the basic act for levy and collection of customs duty. Contain various provisions relating to import and export of goods and merchandise as well as baggage of persons. It includes the main purpose of Customs Act 1962 जो हम subsequent slides में discuss करेंगे. Then we have prevention of illegal imports and exports. The act extends to the whole of India. इसमें दो एक्ट्स आते हैं. फर्स्ट इज़ द कस्टम्स एक्ट 1962 एंड द सेकंड इज़ द कस्टम्स टैरिफ एक्ट 1975 जो कि कस्टम रेट्स को स्पेसिफाई करता है. इसके अलावा रूल्स आर गिवन इन द सेक्शन 156 ऑफ द कस्टम्स एक्ट 1962 which empowers the central government to make rules related to the act. ऐसे ही regulations are given in the section 157 of the Customs Act 1962 which empowers Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs to make regulations related to the act. Along with this, different notifications are issued under Customs Act from time to time. Next we have charging section of Customs Act. As per Section 12, customs duty shall be levied at such rates as may be specified under the Customs Tariff Act 1975 on goods imported into or exported from India. Imports means bringing into India, including territorial water from a place outside India. Whereas export means taking out of India to a place outside India. Next we have in today's video and last taxable event. In case of imports, the warehoused goods date on which bill of entry for home consumption will filed from bonded warehouse. And in case of export, export will complete when goods cross territorial waters of India as well as duty collection may be in advance before completion of export. So these are the few basics of Customs Act. Thank you.